Okay, so since we are meeting for the second, third time, so once again, please introduce yourself.
Yes, yes, definitely. Why not? First of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Santanu Das. I am connecting from West Bengal, and by professional, I am a working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant, and I have been working over there more than 10 years. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. But nowadays I don't play cricket and football because nowadays I have one more hobby. I want to become a good English speaker. That's why also right now I am using this platform. Apart from that, I am running my one YouTube channel which name is English with SD. That's all about me. It is my short introduction. And sir, first of all, please say something about yourself.
Thank you so much for giving me this nice opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Lalu Paswan, and by profession, I am an English teacher. I have an experience of more than 4 years in teaching field, and also I have experience of 1 year of spoken classes. And as far as my hobby is concerned, so I want to be the best teacher of the spoken. So whatever thing is important for that, whether watching contents in English, listening, studying, all the things I follow in English. So that's all about me.
Yes, yes. It is good to know about yourself. And sir, right now also you are a teacher.
Yeah, I am a teacher. I have been teacher.
Yes. And in which school do you teach?
I teach in private school and I teach 6 to 10th standard.
Yeah. And do you teach English subject or other subject?
No, I am an English teacher.
Oh, English teacher. Yes, yes.
Okay, so I have seen your videos, many videos. I have seen your videos. So each and every time whenever you get time, so you always try to connect.
Yes.
So, what is your motto? Do you want to get something from the YouTube and you just want to improve your communication skills?
Yes, my motto is I have already told you I want to become a good English speaker. That's why also I am practicing right now. And if you asked me my English speaking journey, and before speaking English, I did not know anything. Yeah, I was very weak in English subject, and during my study, I was very weak English subject, and at that time I could not write one sentence in English properly. That's why before speaking English, I have completed the grammatical rules, and after completing the grammatical rules, I started my English speaking journey. And I have been speaking English around 1 year, but my goal is I want to become a good English speaker. That's why every single day, whenever I get free time, I always try to make this kind of video. Actually, I know very well speaking is the most important part for learning this language. Always you have to speak regular basis. Listening is also important. Listening and speaking both are very important. That's why whenever I get free time, I always try to make this kind of video.
So, how many sessions do you connect each and every day?
Yeah, there is no fixed session, and whenever I get free time, I always drop the message in this group. I am free. Is anyone free for making this kind of video? Maybe I try to make this kind of video every single day, two or three.
Okay, so apart from speaking, do you follow anything?
No, I don't follow, but whenever I get free time, I always watch the YouTube video in English. I always watch the conversational video and blog video. I always like making the blog video, and whenever I get free time, I always watch the YouTube video in English.
Okay, so you watch especially spoken videos. Do you
Yes.
not follow any kind of podcast, broadcast? You don't study any kind of book?
No, no, no. And earlier, before speaking English, I used to watch so many English grammatical video on the YouTube channel, and I did not go anywhere. I did not join any coaching center. Always staying at my home and using my smartphone. I am learning this language. And before speaking English, I used to watch so many English grammatical video on the YouTube channel. And nowadays I don't watch the English grammatical video. Nowadays I always watch conversational video on the YouTube channel.
Okay, so please tell me something about which kind of things are famous of the West Bengal, as you right now live in the West Bengal. So please tell me something about.
Yeah, in West Bengal, there are so many places are famous. If we go to the north side, Darjeeling is the tourist place. Yeah, and in the Kolkata is the capital of our state. In Kolkata, there are so many places are famous. Famous Howrah Beach is famous. You know very well because in this beach there is no pillar. It is and Victoria Memorial, Alipur Zoo, Kali Ghat, and Belur Mott. Yeah, there are so many places are famous in Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of our state. And if you asked me the historical place, if we go to the Murshidabad district, there are so many historical places over there.
Okay, so which is the favorite festival of yours?
Yeah, in West Bengal, most of the festival is the Durga Utsav. Durga Utsav is the famous in our state.
Yeah, so tell me something. How do you spend your mm, time on the Durga Puja festival?
Yes, it is celebrated. It is celebrated mainly 10 days, but mostly last 4 days is it is most important for the people. It is Sosti, Saptami, Ashtami, Novami, and Dasami, and last 4 days are very important for any people who living in West Bengal, and yes, I also one of the person from of them, and nowadays also I work in a hospital. That's why also I don't get free time. But in when I was child, and at that time, uh, maybe 3 or 4 days, I used to go to see the pandal and decorate, what kind of decorating they are doing in the pandal. Yeah, and I used to go with my friends every single day at that day, last 4 days. Yeah, but nowadays also I don't get free time.
Yeah, okay. So now it's your turn. Now, if you have a question, you can go with
Yes,
that.
yes, please tell me, in your state, what is the famous place in your state?
Basically, I have been living in Haryana. Okay,
Haryana.
I have been here since, yeah, 2000, and so I am going to tell something about the Haryana. So Haryana is famous for the dangal wrestling. Is famous for the wrestling, and apart from that, it is famous for the cultivation of wheat.
Big.
Here, the Haryana's people, the Haryana farmer grows a lot of wheat, and also it is famous for the curd, ghee, milk. So, milk production is also famous of Haryana.
Yes, yes. And sir, I would like to ask one question to you. You belong to Haryana, and I am from West Bengal. Now it is the winter, the summer season is going on. It is too hot in our locality. And how is the weather over there?
Yeah, here is also like that. Scorching heat temperature is here of today's, especially today is humid. Okay, yesterday it rained, but today it is humid temperature. I have been sweating here. I am talking with you on upstairs right now. I am on upstairs, and here I am talking with you, and it is humid today temperature, and I think that rain is about to come. It may be at the evening. It would come.
Yes, yes. And do you like summer season?
I would say yes. I like summer season because in the summer season you can go anywhere. Okay, but in the winter it is not like that. You can't go anywhere. If you want to go, you have to put on a lot of clothes.
Yes, yes,
So I like the summer season.
yes.
So what do you think about it? Which
Yes, I
season do
I
you
I
like the
like
most?
I like summer season because in the summer season, wearing a t-shirt, I can move here and there. There is no problem, and the daytime is so long. Yeah, but in the winter season, I have to wear so many things: cap, sweater, jacket, and the daytime is very small. Yeah, I can't go anywhere because then in the summer, in the winter season it is getting dark very very quickly. That's why also I came back home and that's why I don't like the winter season, but I always like summer season.
Okay, so apart from West Bengal, have you visited any place, any other state?
Yes, I have visited only two states in our country, and Jharkhand and Bihar, two states near my states. And sir, have you visited?
Okay, so when
Yeah,
yeah, I have visited.
last 3 or 4 years ago, I went to Jharkhand.
Okay, so why did you go to Jharkhand, and which thing did you like of the earth?
Yes, it was a traveling purpose. Yeah, and only for visiting purpose, I went there.
Okay, so which kind of things did you like of the Jharkhand?
Yeah, Jharkhand. There is so many hill. Yeah, it is hilly area. That's why I went to there.
Yeah, so you went there for visiting.
Yes, yes. And sir, have you ever visited any another state in our country apart from Haryana?
Yeah, I have visited in Delhi because Delhi is just 1 hour away, far away from us. So I have visited there, and
But
I have been to the Taj Mahal. I have been to the Red Fort, I would say, and apart from that, I have been to what is the Kamal Mandir. Okay, Lotus Temple. I have been there, and I like the Lotus Temple a lot because there is greenery all over in the field of the Lotus Temple, and a lot of tourists comes there to visit. And I am those kind of person who likes the most greenery. Okay, green field
yes,
I
yes.
like the most, garden. And in your hometown, I have seen you make the blog in the green field, like garden. So those kind of things I like the most.
And with whom did you go there?
Yes, once again, please.
With whom did you go there?
Yeah, I went with there with my sister-in-law, my sister, with my nephew, niece, with my brother.
Yes. And sir, do you like traveling?
Yeah, I like traveling. I like the traveling, but I don't have a time. And one thing which is also true that don't have a lot of money. So how could we go here to there?
Yes, yes. And sir, I would like to ask one question to you. Nowadays, you are a teacher and you are learning this language. And sir, do you know about the IELTS examination?
Yeah, I know about IELTS examination.
And are you willing to give this examination?
Yeah, in the future I will go with that because the LTS examination fees is very costlier. If you want to give their exam, so you'll have to pay more money, like 10,000 plus for giving the exam. So in the future, it may be after 20, 30 years later, it would be. But right now, I am not thinking about that. What
Yes,
do you
yes.
think about it? What do you think about it? And when did you know
Yes,
this kinds of examination?
yes, I noticed that many learner who are learning this language, they are interested for giving this examination. But I am not interested for giving this examination because uh, as far as I know, it is only for if you go abroad at that time it is very useful for you. But if you don't go abroad, but it is no needed according to me. I,
Yeah, if you want to study in any foreign country, then you have to give the exam of the
yes, yes.
IELTS. After that, you
In
can get yourself enrolled.
Yes, in any purpose. Maybe you if you go to the abroad for job purpose and after giving the IELTS examination, when you go abroad at that time over there you will get a handsome salary.
Yeah, you are right.
And sir, do you
Okay, so you
know?
just want.
Yes, ask me.
Carry on, please ask.
Do you know what is the syllabus of the IELTS examination?
Little bit I know that reading skills should be good, communication skills should be good. Two things I know. I have seen some videos in that they mention that your reading skills should be good and your speaking communication skills should be good. Apart from that, what do you think? Have you watched the videos?
Yes, I have watched so many video about this IELTS examination. I noticed that there are four parts: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Yeah, there are four part. Always you have to give this. Always you have to give the examination about this four part. Yeah, and after giving this examination, you have to pass the examination, and finally you will get a certificate, which are very important if you go abroad.
Yeah, okay. So today did you not go to your job?
Yes, today in the morning time I am free. I will go. I will go to the evening duty. Yeah, around 1 p.m. That's why in the morning time I am free, and I am making this kind of video. I am using my time.
Okay, so how do you manage? Because I have seen you comments a lot to connect with someone. So how do
Yes,
you manage your time?
yes, I am telling. I have already told you. Today I will go to the evening duty. That's why in the morning time I am free. I am making this kind of video, and whenever I go to the morning duty, and at that time in the evening time I get free time. Yeah, and at that time also I make this kind of video.
So you have uploaded a lot of videos. So does anyone support to you, especially the place you are working right now? So do they know about you that you speak, you make the video on YouTube?
Yes, in the hospital, most of the colleague who are doing a job over there, they know about me, and I am using, I am learning this language, as well as also I am running my YouTube channel. They know properly about me, and they watched my video.
So what they say about you?
Yes, they suggested me. Yeah, you are doing a good job. Yeah, keep practicing, keep
Mhm.
learning. You are also doing a good job.
Yeah, they are saying right. Keep practicing and keep working. And with the YouTube also, you whatever thing you want, you will get in the future as well.
Yes, yes. And sir, you are also speaking English, and after speaking English, are you happy in your life?
Yeah, I am happy because I said to you that I want to be the best teacher of, especially of the spoken. So it is important for me to speak, and in the future also, I want to open my own institute.
Oh yes, you have opened one institute.
Yeah, already I have an institute there. I teach 6 to 10 classes students about the spoken. It's been almost 1 year, so I have a 1 year experience of spoken.
Oh yes, nice. And sir, you are a yeah, you and how you are a teacher, but you are also making this kind of video, as well as also you are running a YouTube channel. But how do you manage your time?
Because these days the summer vacation is going on. Okay,
Yes,
so
yes,
now I have a time. So that's why I have a time. So now I always try to connect with someone.
yes. And sir, where do you live, in village area or town area in Haryana?
Yeah, and I am living in Faridabad, so it is adjoining to the Delhi.
And
Okay, Delhi is just 1 kilometer, 1 hour from away.
and what is your native language? Hindi or Haryani?
No, no, Hindi language.
Hindi language. And how many languages do you know?
I speak two language, English and Hindi and Bhojpuri. Bhojpuri
Bhojpuri.
I also know.
You know Bhojpuri.
Yes, yes.
Sir, I know I don't know about the Bhojpuri language, and I am giving the one sentence in English. Please reply in Bhojpuri. Sir, I will go. I will go to the school.
Hmm. मम्मी हम स्कूल जाएं like that.
Jaim.
जाएं, yes.
Yes.
हम स्कूल जाएं.
As I like Hindi.
Yeah, it's like a Hindi. You
Yes.
can easily learn. Okay.
Yes. Yes. All right, sir. We are talking around 20 minutes. Yeah. You are also speaking English very well.
Yeah. Okay.
I have learned so
Yeah.
many things
Thank you
by
so much
connecting with
for.
you. All right, sir. Nice to
Yeah.
meet you.
Thank you so much and thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you.
All right.